Do you know there are few things when we are communicating, if we are not taking care of them, the communication is not turning better. They are basically known as the barriers of communication. Hi, I'm Lopa Mudra. I'm a career growth coach and communication expert. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 different barriers of communication. If you are careful and you are taking care of these 10 barriers, definitely your communication will be better. Number 1, language barrier. If the language we are communicating to the person is not common, for example, I know Hindi and the person I am communicating, he or she is not aware of Hindi language. Probably he or she is more comfortable in Telugu. So if I am talking in Hindi, naturally he is not able to understand anything. So the communication is not happening properly. So whenever we are communicating, we should make it a point, the language we are communicating, that should be common. The language I am communicating and the language the other person is listening, it should be common. We both should know the same language. That is very important. Number 2, psychological barrier. The way I thought and the way another person is thinking, it is never same. It is absolutely different. We should understand other psychology also. Without understanding other psychology, if we are communicating, we are unable to connect with the person properly, we are unable to communicate our things properly. So always try to put yourself in the state of the other person, try to understand his or her psychological condition before communicating anything. Number 3, emotional barrier. It is again very important. The emotional conditions are not always same. Probably someone is very angry, very annoyed and we don't know that and we are in a other mode and we are trying to communicate something. He is not in a state at all to grab that. He is not at all in a state to accept that. So it is very important to understand the emotional condition of the listener or the other side before communicating. If we are understanding that and we are trying to match that emotion, then the person will be able to communicate. Number 4, cultural barrier. Yes, it is another one. Different states of India especially, we are having different culture. So definitely it is a barrier. If we are respecting others' culture, they will also respect to our culture and there will not be much gap in communication. But if we are not respecting the other culture, same is going to happen and there will be a big barrier in communication. So be careful. Number 5, listening. Yes, listening is another barrier. If we are not listening actively, we cannot communicate well. So be a very active listener whenever the other person is talking so that you can communicate in the same tune, same line. Number 6, attitude. Yes, your attitude is very important. What kind of attitude I am carrying so that the other person is comfortable talking to me, the other person is comfortable communicating with me. So always maintain a balanced attitude, a positive attitude so that others are also comfortable communicating with you and whenever you are communicating, they are comfortable accepting that. Number 7, perception. Many a time we make this mistake. Without understanding anything, without knowing anything, somehow we create our own perception. That itself is a huge barrier in communication. Never ever do that. Always try to accept the other side the way it is. Number 8, attention. Yes, if we are not giving attention to other person, he or she will not be comfortable in communicating. As human beings, as animals, everyone needs attention. When we are giving attention to the other person, he or she feels very comfortable. For example, how we can give more attention? While talking to someone, we can use his or her name. If we are talking about the family members, we can use their names. We can emphasize the kind of things he or she has told and appreciate those things. So when we are appreciating and giving him or her proper attention, the person will be more comfortable. Number 9, filtering. Our human brain is having limited capacity. When we are listening to someone, there are lots of filters. We listen in some particular way and when it is going inside, only few things we will be able to grab. So lot of filtrations happens there, like the filtration of the photographs nowadays. So be careful while filtering the matters. Try to communicate the exact thing whatever you have heard. So when you are doing the same thing, there will not be much barrier. But if you are filtering and trying to present the things in your own way, probably there will be some gap in communication. Number 10. It is happening very commonly now. Information overloaded. Nowadays we have so much of information in different social media platforms everywhere. So when we are getting lot of information, we are getting overwhelmed, and somehow it is creating a huge barrier during our communication process. So don't ever try to overload yourself with lots of information. Have certain limitation and give yourself more time with yourself so that you can understand yourself, and it will make your communication also easy when you are communicating with others. I hope you are finding these 10 things very useful, and next time onwards when you are communicating, you will be very careful about this barrier so that your communication will be better. I will be coming up with more such videos so that it will be more value adding to you. So stay connected with me in future. Thank you so much.